Why was you backing up that Mitsubishi like that? I don't think you should have parked by that pole. I was getting high in the parking lot like, please don't hit that pole. Please don't hit that pole. Really. Like, and you know when you high, you got nothing but anticipation. It was like a show. I was watching it. I said, we about to hit that shit. We gonna hit it. I was praying for you, brother. After I exhaled, though. I had to smoke first. And then he got out and looked like the hunchback of Notre York. Nigga said,